Friendship, put your hands in the air so they can see. I so much real friend there. If you all who know roll up their front on the back of people, put up your hands so they can see them. Real is not a feeling, not a feeling link, more like a sharing link. We go through another link, we follow link, for the brotherly. It's not a shredder, it's a chip. It's not a full call everything. But you know something man got reach in our left and I'm in it. Jamaica, I want to share something with you real quick. Everybody see the news. And since we get in our situation one day, what should we go on, right? A man give me a blind buckle in my face. What's up the whole of my face? Right, yes, sir. But I want to tell you something tonight. I'm here on here. I will put it to rest. But I want to tell you some things I learned about life since that. I don't want to amplify, so watch out. After that, I start praying my life. And you know the first thing I'm praying? I pray so you know who around you. This when bad things reach you, it show you who never like you from a long time and who will want to separate you from a long time. Never. This when bad things reach you, it show who did their own and never real and never wait for your excuse to run for a long time. Look what I'm afraid when the sun shines. I'm going to tell you one more thing later. The most important thing I'm learn is to count your blessings and give thanks to the Almighty Father for everything that you have. I do believe that the most high price in the sky. We get one lick over my eye. But I want to tell you one more thing on my head from us. One thing on my head is them say you love yourself. make. Can't never be able to see. We lay on it to the people that we need. We don't need to be able to see. Man, only put down, we don't be able to see. We try but you throw it down. When you put it on, it was there. We back back, we take You know, so them son of a do this thing fast before the rain come down. I make 10 million from here. So try give me them. Try your best, give me them. Try your best, give me them. I'm going to put it on you. Give me this. No, no, no. How that party about so? Wow, how that party about so? I'm going to get a lot of Music nice, man. Read him up. Hold on. Read him up. Read him up. Now listen to me. Let me know. I'm talking to the VIP. We are talking to the middle right here, son. We are talking to up there, son. All who can do for themselves, for them not fear nobody. I can't do this guy, son. Put on your hand now. I don't want to look like a bad man. You look like a bad boy. Okay, so you look like a bad man. So you want me to come stand up in front of you and tell me I'm a bad man? You look like a big faker. All of the people are real to themselves with the fiance, let me say. We don't have to get no ratings. But we have still Jamaica to come from people in the jungle river, matches lane, Southside and Dunkirk and Australia. Let's see them fight. That's a bad man settings, ladies. Hot party, you bounce it down. You can't get up in imagine, this is what I can do. I'm not going to show nobody. The piece on a try apple. Tell me to put the down here. I don't know this is the thing you want. Hey, we loud. Oh my thing go again. Everybody put up your hands. Yeah. Big up all our sponsors then. See, I don't want the rain to come down on the thing over the white. You see? So, Jamaica, I would like all of you to send an important message to all of the artists that we are called up conscience name, alright? No, me not bad man. Somebody have to answer them and I'm back and forth. They deal with positivity for the get to you them and upliftment and ambition. Everybody cannot be Scarface. Some people have to be Jay-Z and P. Diddy and them shit. Some people have to deal with positive things. So tell them so right now. A positivity we are dealing with an upliftment for all of the youth in Jamaica. We are set examples, see? And the next set of people we cater for is ladies. Give me something for them. Telephone, ring, 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 ring. And I'm thinking, every means, communication. She a try everything. When she finally get contact, she want to know when me I go come back. When it's 6 a.m. in the morning, her body is gone. So me always I introduce you to young artists. Right. So me want to hear one bad one, him get on the stage. Alex A. Game, sing something for them. And every means of communication, she a try every. When she finally, she want to know when me a go come. What's up? And I said no. VIP, I want to hear you. Your body is my destiny. Sing for me. I'm coming, I'm coming, I'm coming, I'm coming, 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 I'm coming. Feel like I can't go away. Give me something, man. I'm not here. Give me something, man. Give me something, man. Something for the Caribbean girls, them, man. No, man. Give me something for them Caribbean girls over there, man. Give me something for them Caribbean ladies. I wish you up the show, man. Ready, man? Give me something for the Caribbean ladies. All the pro Caribbean ladies, come here, you make some noise. We're telling y'all, let me sing for me over the sun, man. All right, let's take it over your body. I told Jamaican people, let me see you put your hands up once again. Well, I know what going. Me say all of the pro Jamaican people and put your hands in the air, make us see them. All conscience fans from 2008, put your hands up, make us see them. You know the VIP over there, so now let you know. Run this up. All of the conscience fans remember when I come out and I say this to the people there. Give me something, man, oh Lord have mercy, man. You look at rain if I do this. And this rain do man. Light man, turn up the lights to me, please. I'm the one looking at that area properly. You want to see all of the people that with their money? Put up your hands and come and get it up. You have to light the lights and put them up in the air and get it up. You have to say. Like the quarter. positivity and ambition. And there was some money. Put up your phone light in the ear, make us see them. The people them to feed and the bills them to pay. Put up the phone light, the blind one, lock off the light. You see me have to be the winner. Cause me not go be hard without my youth and dinner. I need a money make it up. Can't push them without me dark them. This year me have to be the winner. Cause me not go be hard without my youth and dinner. I need a money make it up. You can't take a one song, man. What you say? Where am I, sir? Take a one song. Where am I? See your microphone, man. What you do, youth? Just take a one song, man. Yes, sir. One song. No matter what tomorrow. What tomorrow? Right now we are the work to the tomorrow he will not from our deal to the body and I'm gonna get life we don't want to live good today. Tomorrow we don't want to wish no more plan. Now we need to the Father we pray every day. That's why we know better, we know the real. We have to keep up, we not better, we forgive from morning up, and we not see the sun. The Father can say, well, what's tomorrow, baby? Nobody knows, nobody knows. Never again. Pick up every real father boy, pick up every uncle, every uncle. But you know what, somebody will be love from the heart. We love from the start. But today, we sit down one, yeah. I got to tell you, be my God, because you never done good. Give me the last one now. Give me the last one now. Yeah, man. Everybody will never big up for yourself. When the corridor done, I want to do my chance to three things. I used to sing some good song. I used to keep it real. No matter what, one more thing, everybody. No matter what,
Give him a round of applause.